Hey guys, how do you ask for generosity from your clients or current clients? And what I mean by asking for generosity is asking for referrals and doing it in a way that feels natural. I'm going to give you 2 or 3 strategies right now that I hope will feel more natural to you because this is ultimately the number one way you can generate business. And here's something to remember that when people are going into a transaction, they're getting ready, or they're inside a transaction, or they're coming out of a transaction, there's a 4 times more likelihood that they're going to send you a referral. 4x the likelihood they send you a referral. Why? Because they're talking about it with all their friends and family. It's a natural part of the conversation. You just bought a house. Oh, you're out shopping for a house. Oh, you just closed on your house. Of course, they're going to be talking about it more, which is going to trigger opportunities to refer you, but only if they know they're supposed to refer you. You've got to train them. You've got to coach them. So I'm going to give you some scripting for it. So you can say, hey, now that you're buying or selling, I'm sure some of your friends are going to be jealous. Am I right? And they're going to say, oh, yeah. I've been talking to a few people. Listen, if you run into somebody that wants to follow your lead, I'd love to have the opportunity to, get your referral and work with your clients, your friends, your clients, your coworkers, if that comes up. That's it. Does that sound horrible? Is it inauthentic? Does it sound like, oh my gosh, this guy's so salesy? Hopefully not. Hopefully it sounds pretty natural. Another one is, hey, now that you're selling, I'm sure a few of your friends and your family are going to be jealous. They're going to want to do the same thing. If you find that and they want to follow your lead, hey, I'd love your referral. I like working with people like you. I find that nice people have nice friends and family. Love to work with your friends and family. Or, hey, you know what? Now that we're working together, one thing I always let everybody know is that my business is done primarily word of mouth. So if you do happen to run into anybody in your circle as you're out shopping for a house that says, oh, wow, I wish I was doing that, let them know I'm here to help. Some people think that they can't qualify for a house or it's like really out of reach, but they might be surprised if we get them in touch with a great lender. So just keep me in mind, would you? That's it. I just got to get in the habit of saying that out of my mouth because what happens is we get out of the habit. We feel embarrassed. We feel squeamish about it. We got to get over it if we want to be at the highest level of our business. So a few ideas for you today. Hopefully that helps you out there in the marketplace. And by the way, if you want a lot more ideas like this, join us over at eRealEstateCoach and the Path Performance Coaching. We've got an incredible coaching program, 20 straight weeks, every day with me for 20 weeks, hundreds of downloads, social media assets, and we also have 3 live coaching sessions we're doing every single week, all only for $1. Hope you guys like that. Check it out. Love to see you over there. Have a great day. Good selling.